Okay, for sale, a canary breeding set. This is a cage with 4 boxes. There's 1, 2, and 3 of them here. I have multiple ones for sale. Okay, so this is a serious breeding collection for the serious bird breeder. Okay, everything's here. This is a 6-box one, obviously. And the dividers are removable in these cages here. There's all sorts of accompanying accoutrement with this collection. Now, ideally, I want to sell everything as a lot, and I'll set the price in the description. Here's everything here, all of the accoutrement. And there's more here. And there's another wall-mounted breeding cage here and another smaller cage here. Ideally, I'd like to sell as a set, but I will sell pieces. Please reach out to me and let me know if you'd like to take everything, or if you want to take it in pieces, and I'll sell it in pieces. Okay. Bye-bye.